So Fiona forgot to record. While we're eating Chinese, we got special fried rice, sweet and sour chicken, Singapore noodles, vegetable spring rolls, and squid.
Yeah, salt and pepper squid. And we got some prawn crackers as well, and some free spring rolls. But everything tastes good so far.
Last time we got sweet and sour pork and we didn't really like the sauce, but they made it nice today. It's only because I was looking at you in the mirror, I saw that the phone was black and I was like, oh shit, you got to record.
Damn. Thought I pressed it.
You thought wrong. So you're craving something sweet then? Like what? What do you want to eat?
A jam donut, small cheeses, bubble tea, a chocolate cake. I was gonna order from Cake Box, but it's like £30 for the cake. I was like, it's a bit mad.
Yeah, we'll just go shop later, I guess. You can get a chocolate cake.
This is so nice and easy to eat for me. I can chew on the other side, which is really good.
Have more of that if you want.
Yeah, well. We're sharing, silly. What do you think of the squid?
Yeah, it was okay.
It's bare fried, though, isn't it? Compared to other ones.
You prefer it soggy or fried?
I like it soggy.
Damn.
Kids have been playing outside and they're just enjoying their half term.
Oh, the roads are more clear when there's no kids. That traffic, man, that after school traffic. I'm playing, so it'll calm today. These are nice. Or is it spend £30 and get these free?
I think so.
I'm rather not sauce today. Get it if you want, but I don't think it needs that. You know we haven't had in time.
What?
Nando's.
Yeah. That would be nice. No, did you see that place I sent you? The steak place. That looked good.
I don't have that place ready. Yeah, I love it. Got by myself.
What the hell?
I think it's just like, you know that, have you ever watched that Man vs. Food? Back in the day? Maybe I'll just be like that.
Let's do it, and I'll be eating in the background.
You can be my camera woman. I want to try that Bim's one. It's not going to be hard though, I can't lie. It's just only like 3 burgers. Well, 3 patties. There's a burger spot near us that put a challenge on TikTok. And I saw it and I was like, should we try? And then Fiona was like, no, you can just try by yourself. It's like chicken.
Try.
Yeah, it probably is. It's like chicken burger. Like 3 chicken burgers. And 1 burger. can't get full. You full?
Yeah.
Damn. Ooh.
What, you done?
My lips are burning. I had like a few chilies in here, and then there was just like a chili there, and I just ate it for some reason. I don't know. Chili on that as well.
Anyways guys, we're pretty full now. So bye, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye.